Yo guys, what is going on? In this video, real quick, we're going to show you the absolute best practices to follow for your Facebook retargeting and even a gold nugget for your lookalikes for cold traffic. Here we go. Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Corey here again, once again from eCommerce Street. If this is your first time here, make sure you are subscribed, as our channel covers all kinds of topics such as social media growth, marketing, e-commerce, brand building, and everything in between, so make sure you stick around. Without further ado, Anthony's gonna hop in and just briefly discuss how we use Facebook retargeting to the best of our abilities to maintain the highest ROAS and overall just remain efficient with our frequencies. Here we go.
Alright guys, I'm here. I want to talk to you a little bit about retargeting now, and one of the main things you have to keep in mind is your custom audience size, okay? Because that's actually really important. Recently, we've been getting a lot of traffic and actually more than usual traffic to our website. So we've had so many visitors come to our site and they didn't buy anything, okay? Now, we have that audience of people saved on our pixel and we can retarget them. So that means literally sending ads to those people that didn't buy. This is not cold targeting, this is not lookalikes, this is warm targeting. These are people who have visited your website already, so they're already warm. They're almost interested in buying, I guess you could say. So we go into Facebook, okay? We create a custom audience. We have our page view custom audience, okay? We have our add to cart audience, and you can also do like initiate checkouts. You can do like time spent, you can do all that stuff. There's different audiences you can do, even video views. What we like to do is only do the first 10 days. So anyone that's visited up to 10 days worth, it's just gonna cycle through it. In your custom audience of page viewers, there's still gonna be people who have bought something, okay? Our retargeting campaigns are actually doing pretty crazy right now. We've had about like a 5 ROAS, and you wanna be running ads too. We'll talk a little bit about the creative as well. You wanna run creatives like discount codes or just like kind of like a reminder that they've been on your website. You know, just say, hey, we miss you, get 10% off, here you go. And you can just put it in creative text. But generally we just keep the offer in the creative text, and then we also just have another ad running. It could be the exact same image, and you can just change the creative text.
Anthony pretty much discussed the what is retargeting, how it kind of works on like a basic level. I kind of want to jump in, dive into like more of the how to set up your retargeting in the best ways and the best practices to kind of follow, along with one more quick gold nugget. So here we go. As Anthony said, a great baseline for the far majority of you is to start with either page view or view content in the past 10 days. You can split test, but all these bottom of funnel campaigns are going to be doing well for you if you have a brand going or a nice winning product going. It's going to be doing well, but the only problem is that after that 10-day period, the customers that haven't bought yet are going to be excluded from your bottom of funnel campaign until now. One of our boys, Cozy Nash, actually brought this to our attention recently, and the minute we were told about it, it made so much sense, and we just immediately added it to our campaign. And essentially, it's just making a 90-day page view audience, custom audience, subbing that into your retargeting campaign, and then excluding that 10-day page view audience. And then, of course, using a new creative. So once that 10-day page view custom audience gets retargeted and they don't buy, they get included into that new 90-day page view audiences where you can show them a brand new creative and a different kind of offer for life until they buy. And then, of course, once they buy, they'll be excluded. You're not targeting people that have already bought. Another huge gold nugget for retargeting that we've been using as well for another campaign is instead of actually using the conversions campaign, we use a reach campaign. And the true beauty of this campaign is that you can set a frequency cap on that campaign or ad set, for example. So we have it set, and I'll throw up a quick screenshot. We have a reach campaign that's retargeting our custom audiences, and the frequency cap is 3 impressions every 5 days. And overall, of course, the frequency will be higher on the ad set levels for that, but just so much higher converting. You'd be surprised, and I'm sure many of you experienced marketers know this. Sometimes it just takes 4 or 5 times for a customer to see an offer to actually convert. There's nothing wrong with your offer or what you're offering or their products, just the way they are, just how their action threshold's set. So really try that out. Again, I'll do like a brief little recap right here, and you can just follow this, screenshot it, and apply it into your Facebook campaigns ASAP. One more quick thing about Facebook lookalike. All we've been talking about is bottom of funnel campaigns, the retargeting, people that have seen your website and seen your ads before. But for the top of funnel campaigns, you want to keep that traffic as cold as possible. And the best way to do that is when you are scheduling your future interests or lookalikes, or whatever it may be, as long as it's cold traffic, make sure that you are excluding page views in the past 90 days. All this is going to do is make sure your frequency stays as low as possible and keep the traffic as cold as it possibly can be. Because if you're not excluding that 90-day page view list, there is a chance that Facebook will show your cold top of funnel prospecting campaign to someone that's already seen your ads before and is considered more of a warm / bottom, aka bottom of funnel audience. We're trying to keep our videos super just short and straight to the point, so hopefully this is how that video turns out. And I hope you try it soon and apply it to your Facebook ads and let us know how the results go. Either you can comment on this video, hop in our Discord channel, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.